Hello everyone! Today we're going to compare wealthy affiliates SiteRubix and Hostgator to help you decide which is better for building websites in 2024. Simply click the link in the description box to access both platforms. Let's dive in and explore each platform's features, advantages, and disadvantages. Let's start by looking at SiteRubix. SiteRubix is a website builder and hosting platform provided by Wealthy Affiliate. It allows you to create websites quickly and easily, with the added benefit of Wealthy Affiliate's training and community support. The platform offers hosting with free SSL certificates and fast page load times. To sign up for SiteRubix, you'll need to become a member of Wealthy Affiliate. To create an account, you need to click on the top right option saying Sign In. Now, you'll need to choose a domain name for your website. SiteRubix offers a free subdomain or the option to use a custom domain if you have one. Enter your preferred domain name to check its availability. In terms of pricing, SiteRubix includes a free starter plan, a premium plan for $49 per month, and a premium plus plan for $99 per month. The yearly plans are also provided. On the other hand, Hostgator is a well-established web hosting company that also offers a website builder tool. Hostgator's website builder provides a wide range of templates and customization options, allowing users to create responsive and visually appealing websites. One advantage of Hostgator is its reliability and scalability, as it offers various hosting plans to accommodate websites of all sizes. In terms of pricing, Hostgator gives a hatchling plan for $3, a baby plan for $4 per month, and a business plan for $6. Yearly plans are also available. However, Hostgator's website builder may have a steeper learning curve for beginners compared to SiteRubix. Overall, the choice between SiteRubix and Hostgator depends on the user's specific needs and preferences. If you're a beginner looking for an easy-to-use platform with integrated training resources, SiteRubix may be the better option. On the other hand, if you prioritize reliability and scalability and are willing to invest more time in learning the platform, Hostgator could be the preferred choice. Ultimately, your decision will depend on your specific website building needs and preferences. Remember, you can try out both platforms using the links in the description below. Sign up for free today and start building your website. Thanks for watching.